I just have my classic pound cake. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these slices up even more. I just kind of want little bits just like this. Put this to the side. Now what I'm using today as serving dishes are these beautiful champagne cups. So we're gonna grab that cut up pound cake and we're just gonna sprinkle it in super quickly into our glasses. This is great for a party. It's great for, you know, just after dinner, a nice dinner party. Guests will love this and they'll think it's homemade because it's that delicious. Just fill it up, get a nice bottom layer of your pound cake. Okay. So for 6 glasses, I used about 1/4 of my pound cake. Beautiful. Go ahead and grab some strawberry pie filling. This is what's gonna make it extra delicious. Just 1 scoop into each of our little glasses. Not only is this an easy dessert, but it's gonna look beautiful. Okay. I think we could actually add a little bit more of the strawberry in there. Get those glasses really filled up. And you can make homemade pound cake if that's the way you wanna go. I just wanted a really easy, simple dessert, so I went with the pre-made stuff. Okay. 1 more scoop of strawberries in this last one. All right, those are looking beautiful. Now you guys are really gonna like this next step. I grabbed some no-bake cheesecake from my Walmart. This stuff is delicious. If you've tried it, you know it's delicious. And this is gonna go right on top of those strawberries. Oh yeah. Don't worry, we'll smooth it out to make it nice and beautiful. So you got your pound cake, you got your strawberry pie filling, and now you got your no-bake cheesecake. This is gonna be a delicious, easy, no-bake strawberry cheesecake. It's gonna be so good. We're gonna do 2 scoops of this too. You can be super generous with these. All right. Okay. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my spatula and kind of just smooth those out. All right, so these are all perfectly smoothed out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some graham cracker crumbs. These are already crumbled up graham crackers. And we're gonna go ahead and just sprinkle them right on top to give it a nice crunch, because that pound cake isn't very crunchy, it's just soft. So we want this graham cracker to give that nice crunch to our cheesecake parfaits. All right. Ooh, look how beautiful these are looking. I'm so excited to try them. I mean, what's not to like? Strawberry, pound cake, cheesecake. I think we have a winner here, you guys. All right. Now I just whipped up some homemade whipped cream and I'm gonna just do a nice little swirl right on top. You can buy whipped cream if that's what you prefer, but I just did the homemade stuff, just a quick recipe you can look up on Pinterest. We want these to be pretty, right? Okay. I think I made a little bit too much whipped cream, but that's okay. Never goes to waste. Now to make these extra beautiful, we're gonna top them off with some fresh strawberries. All right, and just put a strawberry right on top of the whipped cream. And now you have the most beautiful dessert. I'm serving these up for New Year's Eve, and they're gonna be so popular because they're just that delicious. Okay, last one. Look how cute. Give this a try. Get all that goodness. Oh yeah, that's a good bite. Beautiful.